Hey everyone, Zachary Jarid here from the Goldwell US team. And today on my model Rosie, I'm going to show you a lightning touch-up application using the new Oxycur Platin with BondPro Technology. Then we're going to do a merging and color blocking technique with the new Elumen Shades BB at 10 and PB at 10. Let me know what you think. I will reload up the Oxycur Platin on my brush and cap off my quadrant, making it airtight. On my model Rosie, we'll be doing a color blocking merging technique using the new illuminated shades. Okay, as you can see, I'm moving up the back of the head with diagonal forward subsections to work in a clean line so I can place down my section after I finish. What I'm doing is I'm taking the BB at 10 and dragging it a little bit further down to the mids, just to kind of add to that blend. Then I'm taking my PB at 10 and I'm applying it to the very ends, leaving a little bit of negative space. And what that's going to do is help me just marry and create almost a focal point within the mids that will be beautiful as it all blends together. Using a merging technique with my two fingers, my middle finger and my pointer finger, I then blend the two sections together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look on my stunning model Rosie. For more artistry and innovation, don't forget to subscribe to the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. See you next time.